In this video, I'm going to show you how you can enable login permission for ClickUp support. So if you want to get support from ClickUp team, all you need to do is to go ahead and enable login permission for support. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. Alright, let's get into it. So to get started, you need to go up here to your ClickUp Workspace and then click on this drop down. From here, choose settings, and then under settings, head to your profile name here, and under it you can see my settings. Now if you scroll down, you can see we have down here under login permissions for ClickUp, it is currently disabled. You are told that if login permissions are granted, our trained support specialist can access your account to troubleshoot specific issues you raise in ticket support. So if you had raised an issue and then you need the support team to access your account and help you troubleshoot, then you need to go ahead and change the status from disabled to login and test permissions granted. You can also choose this option to give further permissions like login, testing, video, and screenshot permission granted if you wish so. So for my case, I'll choose the second one, and then once you have chosen that, go ahead and click on Save Changes. Once the support team has finished or has completed troubleshooting, then you can go ahead and now disable will again grant your privacy. So that's how you can provide login permission for ClickUp support on ClickUp. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.